Hi everyone, Nico from Secure Corner here, and welcome to the final part of our 3-video series on how to install Docker and Log4Container on a Teltonika router. This is the final part where we're gonna use our PC in another network to access devices on our Teltonika router's network, and we're also first of all gonna match a key to the Log4Container. So first of all, let's open our browser and type in the IP address of our router. So that is 192.168.1.1, and then double colon, and the port is 8000. And we're gonna see the interface of our Tosibox. Click on login, type in the password, and then click on settings, and then keys and logs. And at the bottom here, we can enable remote matching, or more so, we can generate a code for a key. We copy that code, then open our key software. Obviously, you need to have your key plugged in. Then click on devices, remote matching, paste the code that we just copied, then click on start, and it should, there we go, remote matching completed successfully. We can close this, and we should see the log right here. Now let's disconnect real quick here and actually go into another network, because obviously we can access the Tosibox if we're in the router's network. So let me real quick change that. All right, we're in a different network now. Let's click on connect. And now we're connected. We can double click on the MAC address, and we will also see the Tosibox web UI. And we can log in from here again. And we are connected to the router's network. But we do have one problem. I do have a camera connected to the router's network, and this one has the IP address with the 1.111. If we try to connect to this, we will see that nothing's happening. We can wait a little bit, we're gonna get an error, and we can't actually connect to this. We can fix that by going to network, then static routes, click on add, and now type in the network address of your router. So 192.168.1.0. You can also type in an host address, so I could type in the 111 here. Then I would have to use an IP gateway, but for me, I want to access all devices in our router's network, so I'm gonna choose the 0 to enable the full access on the whole network. Then type in the net mask, so that is 255.255.255.0, and then click on save. Wait for it to apply changes. And if we try to connect again, we will see that nothing's happening as well. So we need to disconnect and reconnect to the Tosibox once again. This is to actually tell our PC that we have these static routes set up now. We connected now, and if we refresh now, you can see we get a login mask. You can log in real quick. I don't think we're gonna see a lot here. And there we go. As you can see, you can't see much, but we are connected to this camera. All right, and with that, I hope this tutorial has helped, and you now have Log4Container set up on your Teltonika, and you can actually access devices on your router within your home network or whatever network you're using. And yeah, See you in the next video.